Hey guys, this is a really quick review of this product here, Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. Let's see, so it comes with a bunch of different stuff. There's this disc, this is a polisher, and two polishing pads, and a bunch of these wipes, oxidation remover. I think this is the actual ceramic coating. And some gloves, because this stuff is kind of toxic. Anyways, I'm gonna go downstairs and apply this, and I'll show you the before and the after. Okay, so my headlights are super fogged up. See, it's like very yellow, kind of gross. There's some condensation in there from the car wash, but I'm gonna try to clean that up. Okay, first step is to apply these ceramic. I don't think it's actually applied, it's just like a cleaning wipe to get rid of the oxidation. Super toxic, so I'm gonna wear gloves. Okay, I made a huge difference already. First step, look at this one is untreated. Just the one that's treated. Okay, next step is to take this thing and scrub. Here's the polish. Okay, last step is to apply this thing. I think it's not quite clear and shiny yet. This is supposed to clear it up and protect it. Okay, so overall, it did a pretty good job. There's still some condensation in the lens. That's from the car wash. It has nothing to do with the kit. It's not perfect. Like, there's still some scratches and stuff on the lens. But I probably could have done a better job with the polish. But overall, I would say it worked. Alright, so there's a couple things I would recommend when using this kit. The first one is to, before you start, grab some painter's tape and wrap that around the headlight, like all around the headlight before you start. That way it's a lot easier to polish the headlight without worrying about scratching your paint or wiping the coating without worrying about getting it on to the rest of the car. Especially that oxidation remover, I have no idea what that will do to your paint. Second is I would spend a lot more time polishing than I did and what the directions say. So they say about 2 to 3 minutes per disc per headlight. Maybe double that. I noticed after my application there was a lot of still scratches and foggy parts left after the polishing. I think it required more time. So what do I think about this kit? Well, it's pretty easy to use. The whole thing took about an hour, hour and a half to 2 hours. Overall, I'll give it a 4.5 out of 5. I think the polisher could be a bit better for curved surfaces, but overall it was pretty effective and pretty easy to do.